Potential coronavirus drug favipiravir shows promise in Russian trials. The Russian Direct Investment Fund says the potential novel coronavirus drug favipiravir has shown promising results in clinical trials in Russia. The RDIF set aside $2 million in funding for the favipiravir trials. According to RDIF head Kirill Dmitriev, 60% of the 40 coronavirus-positive patients who took favipiravir tested negative for COVID-19 in only 5 days. He said the drug, which is known as Avigan in Japan, where it was first developed, can cut coronavirus patients' recovery times in half. Avigan, which was created in the 1990s and is under Fujifilm, is able to short-circuit the reproduction mechanism of specific RNA viruses like influenza. The drug is currently also undergoing trials in India under Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited. Russia's favipiravir clinical trial of 330 patients is set to finish by the end of May. Russian Academy of Sciences professor Andrei Ivashchenko said the company facilitating the clinical trials, ChemRAR, has production facilities that allow for the production of tens of thousands of treatment programs per month. Ivashchenko explained that early tests on favipiravir showed minimal side effects. However, they did not allow pregnant women to use it, considering Avigan in Japan has also been found to cause birth side effects. Although the results in Russia show much promise, there is reportedly still not enough data to conclude if the drug can act as a suitable treatment for severely ill coronavirus patients. Russia is currently in the first phase of clinical trials, which is usually dedicated to testing new drugs in a small group of people. According to BioPharma-Dive, the Japanese government is set to use funds from an emergency economic package to buy 2 million treatment courses of Avigan for its own stockpile. Though other countries remain wary of Avigan, which is approved in Japan for use only on the flu, Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has been promoting its benefits. He mentioned Avigan to U.S. President Donald Trump, leading the U.S. administration to encourage the authorization of Avigan for use on COVID-19 patients in the country. U.S. clinical trials for Avigan are already in the works, with one in Massachusetts and one by Stanford University. South Korea, meanwhile, has chosen to not use Avigan because of the risk of side effects and a lack of data supporting its use for coronavirus.